are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to AFZA'S World. Today I'm super excited to unbox a surprise. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Oh, it's Samsung Galaxy. I got a thank you card from Samsung.
Wow! So this is all new Samsung NOTE20 5G. Let me open the box. Oh.
Wow!
This is the documentation, the startup guide of the for the NOTE20 5G. This is a quick start guide, and there's a normal pin which we can eject the SIM. This is all new Samsung Note 5G. It has got 3 cameras, 64 megapixel. So let's open the other side. This is the charging plug, and this is the charging C-type cable, and it could be the C-type headsets. Now, wow, this is Samsung original earbuds. It's a cool design. And one more item left in the box. Wow, this is silicone cover, the original for the NOTE20 5G. I'm just starting the phone. It is 6.7 inch screen. It's flat screen. 4300 mAh battery. Wireless charging. 3 cameras. High power pro lens. We can capture beautiful landscape pictures. It is 64 megapixel, and we can zoom up to 30 times space. So we'll just go with English US. Which I have read and agreed to all of the above. Next, it will ask us to connect to the wireless. It is checking for the updates. So this phone has got the front camera 10 megapixel, hole punch camera. You can see this. And the color of the phone is like mystic gray. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account and more. My old phone is Note 10. So I just want to connect this. So I'm just trying to connect it. It is asking for my old device. I want to connect it on wireless. To connect, I need to open the Smart Switch app. It is asking for the updates. So you can just go it as instructed on the screen. So it is allowed the connection. So you can see it's so easy to connect and transfer data to the new phone. It is asking us to choose, and see that it is copying the stuff. I'll sign into my Google account. So I already signed into the account. So it is asking to agree to all terms and conditions. So just verify it. So we just started the phone. So it is still copying. Now this will take almost 11 minutes to copy the complete from the other phone to this new phone. So okay, now I think it will take 11 more minutes to complete copying the stuff, my old stuff. I think the time to copy or move the data from the old phone to this phone, it might take according to the data size, the application data, all the stuff. For me it took almost 1 hour. So in between we will open the other boxes, earbuds and the silicone cover. So let it complete. We will wait for this to get completed. So this is Samsung original cover. This is silicone cover for Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 5G as well. So this is compatible for both the models. So we will open this. This is very sleek cover. Okay. And it's a sleek and handy, and it has got the grip also as it's silicone. Now this is earbuds. This is the headset. We can use it for both audio and the phone. Music, video, audio, everything. We can use this earbud. It works on Bluetooth. So this is amazing. It's very sleek. It's so good actually. So we'll get the charging indication. What is the charge? See, we will get the charging indication which shows the charge for the earbud. And so that's all about this. So we'll wait for the phone to get complete copying of the data. So now it's finished copying. Now it started organizing the data. So it's showing 1 minute left to complete the task. It's done. So it's still organizing. So this is the new 5G NOTE20. Our pet Lucky, super clarity. Even you can see the zoom. See? Even we can take the snap at a 30% zoom. So this is all about Samsung NOTE20 5G. It comes with a stylus. That's the main difference from the other phones. The NOTE20 normally comes with the stylus. It can be used for writing. Even it can be used as a selfie capturing button as well. So there is a button in the middle of the stylus which can be used as the selfie capture. And we have the latest buds, that is the Bluetooth headset. This is Samsung earbuds. Okay, so this is completely work on Bluetooth. So when we open the cover, you can see this it is automatically getting connected with the phone. The price of the phone in UAE, it is around 3,550 dirhams, and cost of the bud is around 550 dirhams. As we already configured the phone, now I want to change the SIM. So you can find a pin which comes along with the documentation guide or the quick startup guide. So the SIM is replaced over here. So this phone has got 256 GB memory, and this is not upgradable, but in Note Ultra 5G is upgradable, and it can be upgraded up to 1 TB. So here I am just going to change my SIM from the old phone to this phone. So this is how we insert the SIM. So it's already detected, the SIMs are detected. Now already it is all configured by default. So this is all about new Samsung NOTE20 5G. Still yet to configure my apps, all those things. So let's see how it the review wise it's all good. So let me experience the new Samsung NOTE20 5G. That's all for now. Thank you.